Hi, this is Josh with Lakeland Mills Incorporated. Today we will be assembling a cedar log dining chair, model number CF1130. Once you get your box, you're going to want to sort all the pieces and make sure that everything's there and that nothing got damaged in shipping. As you sort through the logs, you may see that some of them have cracks. This is called checking, and this is a normal part of the drying process and adds to the rustic beauty of the furniture. When you are done sorting the furniture, you will then take the dowels of the back and insert them into the holes of the seat. It helps to have a rubber mallet or a hammer and a block of wood to help tap it in so that you don't get marks on the wood. It is now time to assemble the leg and arm assemblies. You will notice that the front legs have a hole that is a little closer to the chuck than the back legs, which is farther away from the chuck. We get asked periodically if we should glue the joints as well as screwing them, and the answer to that is no, because if something was to break on your chair, it would be harder to replace if it was glued. Once you are done with the leg and arm assembly, lay the back and seat assembly on its side. Insert the dowel ends of the seat rails into the holes on each leg. Drive the legs on as far as possible. Turn the chair over and repeat for the other side. Set the chair in an upright position on a level surface, and when the legs are in the proper position, you will insert the dowel into the pre-drilled hole in the arm. You may have to push or pull the back in order to get it to line up properly. With the arms secured in place, secure the dowel joints of the back in place with the 2.5-inch screws. After you are done with that, tilt the chair back and screw an angle brace on each side of the front legs and to the chair bottom. Make sure that the chair is on a level surface, and then secure all dowel joints in place with 2.5-inch screws. Once everything is secured, now would be a perfect time to finish the chair with an oil-based penetrating deck sealant, or you can leave it natural and it will weather to a silvery gray color. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this video helped with the assembly of your chair. If you still have questions, you can contact our customer service department at 1-800-427-5136. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you have a great day.